Fickle prepping planet. Top 10 survival tips for freezing winter power outages. When the power goes out in the dead of winter, the warmth drains from your home like a thief in the night, and every breath hangs frozen in the air. The cold creeps in, relentless and unforgiving. Here's how to fight back when nature turns your home into an icebox. 1. Bundle up like your life depends on it. The first rule of survival: conserve body heat. Layer up in everything you own: thermal underwear, fleece-lined pants, wool socks, scarves. Don't underestimate the power of your body's heat. Every layer is a shield against the invading chill. 2. Create a fortress of warmth. Choose the smallest room in your house and make it your safe haven. Close off every other door, seal windows with duct tape or plastic sheets, and hang blankets over every drafty surface. Your goal is to trap every ounce of heat before it escapes into the frozen void. 3. Light up the darkness safely. When the world outside is pitch black and the wind howls like a banshee, rely on flashlights and battery-powered lanterns. Candles can offer a flicker of warmth, but use them sparingly and never leave them unattended. Fire is an ally, but a dangerous one. 4. Stave off the freeze in your pipes. The pipes in your walls are ticking time bombs in freezing weather. Leave faucets dripping to keep water moving, and open under-sink cabinets to share the dwindling warmth. A burst pipe could turn your sanctuary into a frozen wasteland. 5. Keep the fire alive. If you have a fireplace or wood stove, use it wisely. Burn wood slowly and consistently to ration your fuel. The fire's glow might be your last connection to warmth. Just ensure proper ventilation. Silent killers like carbon monoxide show no mercy. 6. Share warmth to survive. Huddle together with your family or pets under the heaviest blankets you can find. Sleep side by side to share body heat. In freezing conditions, staying apart isn't an option. Your combined warmth could be the difference between life and frostbite. 7. Eat to fuel the fight. Your body is the last line of defense against the cold, so feed it well. Eat high-calorie, easy-to-prepare foods like nuts, peanut butter, or chocolate. Sip warm liquids if you can heat them. Every calorie becomes a weapon against the cold's grip. 8. Guard against the silent freeze. If you venture outside to gather firewood or clear snow, the frost bites fast. Wear gloves, scarves, and multiple layers. The cold is cunning. It only takes minutes of exposure for frostbite to sink its icy teeth into your skin. 9. Stay connected in the void. The isolation of a winter blackout is deafening. Keep a battery-powered radio to hear emergency updates or a fully charged phone to call for help. In the frozen silence, knowing what's happening in the outside world feels like a lifeline. 10. Be prepared for the long night. If you have a generator, use it sparingly and keep it outdoors. Solar chargers can breathe life into small devices. Conserve every scrap of energy. Your batteries are precious in the unyielding dark. Bonus tip: trust your instincts. In the face of freezing cold, every decision feels dire. Listen to that inner voice urging you to stay alert, move cautiously, and adapt. Winter's grip is brutal, but survival is a battle you can win if you fight smart and stay calm. When the storm rages and the cold presses in, remember, the night always ends and the warmth will return. Hang on.